So it's a big day. We're going to start mounting that battery. So the supports and all that are already welded in. They're ready to go. All we really need to do is we're going to be taking the engine lift, hoisting up the battery, and bringing it in through the trunk. And hopefully we don't die. Alright, that was painful enough. So it looks like we're pretty well center back here. Say right about there. We lost about as much of the trunk as I thought I did. The good news is I can still access my screw down points in the front and the back. So I think this will actually be pretty good to go. All I have to do is, looks like that rear diff, the padding didn't compress as much as I thought it would. So I'm gonna have to come under here and figure out what my thickness is and basically shim up those holes so I can go through and screw down. To do that, I just went ahead and got some self-tapping sheet metal screws that are 3/8 in diameter. So what I'll do, once I find my height, is just drill them, run through and tap it. And I'm only gonna do the front two and the back two holes that are on the supports on the inside over here. So really, I don't need that much support because now I don't have to suspend the pack like I would have otherwise. Now the only thing I need to do is just assure that it doesn't hit me in the spine in a front end collision. So I think I'll be fine there.